today we'll be going over the last element in the HTML document structure, or the bare bones of a HTML document, or a skeleton of HTML document. So today we'll be going over the last element, which is the footer element, or the footer tag. And the footer tag contains links to your social media site. It contains copyright. It contains, if you have an e-commerce store, it contains your policy. It could contain your policies, and it could contain your credit card option for an e-commerce store. So the footer element is like this. It's like it goes like that. That's the basic. It's an open and close tags to the footer element right here. Open and close tag for the footer element. Like I said, you could put a copyright into your footer element. We'll go over copyrights and HTML entities later. It's 2020 rough year. For everybody that's still here in 2020, bless up yourself. Take care of yourself. Stay home. So this is the basic structure to a footer element, right? This is the basic footer element. I'm saying. This is the basic footer element, and this is the basic structure to an HTML document right here. You got your header tag, you got your header tag, you got your nav tag, got your main tag, and you got your footer element. The basic structure for a web app, a website. Again, in the footer element, you could put in a section, an article, you could put the header element and the footer element. Mostly, it's used for blogs and stuff like that. So yeah, again, this is just the basic structure to a website or a web app. You could use it. It's a basic HTML document. You could use this to go ahead and start building a website. And that's it. That's it for the basic structure to a HTML web document. HTML web document. We'll be going over the article tag, the section tag. We'll be going over the UL tag, the UL tag, the OL tag. We'll be going over the address tag. We'll be going over a lot of tags in this series, so I'm not gonna rush it. I'm gonna try to do a video every day, but this is just the basic structure. So comment on the video if you like it, if you don't like it, and we'll talk next time. All right.